Alright, today I thought I would show you a little bit of what we get up to in the backyard. So, let's go. Oh, got me out. So, we have a bit of mowing to do. The grass is getting nice and long. We've had a bit of rain, a bit of hot weather. It's growing quite well, and the children are playing in the pool. We've got to string up the tomatoes, which we'll have a look at over here. So we were a little bit late with the tomatoes, planting them. We didn't have the hothouse this year, and we're still not really sure how long we're going to be here. So I've got a few weeds to pull out. There's one here, a couple over the back there. It's basically this section here is our half, and the other section there is somebody else's half of the garden. So that's why there's all the weeds there. I've actually been eating some of them for dinner. I'll have a look. So this here is called fat hen, and you can just take these leaves off and clean them, cook them up just like spinach, and it's quite yummy. They do grow quite tall though. Oh, yummy biscuits. Daddy get one? Please? Thank you. Yummy. Just stop for some afternoon tea. Homemade biscuits. Lemon and raspberry. Delicious. So a second ago I just had to go out the gate to turn the neighbour's tap off. Their pool was overflowing and I know they're out, so just did that. And now I'm trimming the edges with these little shears that my friend gave me, a Russian friend gave me for my birthday 2 years ago. So yeah, that's working pretty well. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going, got lots to do. So the children have finished in the pool. It's getting towards dinner time, so they've gone inside for a bath or a shower. And I'm just going to finish mowing the lawn and then tie up the tomatoes. But yeah, it's beautiful weather outside today. It's been hot the last couple of days, and today it's a little bit cooler. So yeah. So that's fat hen there. Very helpful weed. You can eat it. You just cook it up like spinach. I don't know if you can eat it in a salad like spinach, but it definitely tastes nice cooked up with butter and garlic. Very yummy. Well, I just finished mowing the lawn, and the children have had play in the pool, had a bath, and now we're going to head inside for dinner, and then I'll finish stringing up the tomatoes and fertilizing and stuff. So yeah, dinner. Okie dokie, we're just about to pour the fertilizer into the watering can. I'm going to get my wife to hold the watering can because I don't want it spilling everywhere. It's kind of smelly.
Smells so healthy.
Real healthy. Alright, I think we'll use it for these. Well, you guys can't probably tell, but it's very smelly, which hopefully is a good thing. What did you see at the zoo? Did you see Cherry Parker? And did you see Wolfie?
Yeah, I did see them.
And did you see George? Hedgehog? We didn't get to see the bears because they were rebuilding their enclosure.
Well,
And we didn't see those. But what else did we see? Louisiana?
Huh?
Monkeys?
Yes,
We saw monkeys and we saw lions.
lions
Yep.
and elephants.
We didn't see elephants.
No?
But there was reindeer there.
Huh? Well, Rainy.
And they don't have the other animals that were there on the ark. So some snakes. Did you see them?
Yeah.
Remember? Just towards the end. So we've put the children to bed and it's a bit cooler now, and I'm just going to tie up the tomatoes and give them a little bit of a prune, trim all the little suckers off, and I might even get some beetroot planted. But yeah, it's beautiful weather out here. I'd say it's probably cooled down to about 20. There's a little bit of a breeze, so it's very, very nice out here.
Ну, пробоваю. What's the word?
Попробуй.
Попробуй.
Неплохо. Cool. Alright, well, I'll leave your leaves for now. Spindly as they all are. Meanwhile, I will crush the opposition. As well. Mosquitoes certainly consider it fine. Straighten your mouth like that. Cool, well they're all tied up. We might tighten them up later. We'll see how we go. As they go up, that will kind of tighten a little bit anyway. But they won't fall over when I water them now. That's good. Did you see the tomato? It's down here. There's a couple of them. Ready?
Exciting. Yay, cherry tomato is coming soon.
Well, that was the end of a very lovely afternoon. The children are all happy, they're in bed, they're all tuckered out. Had a nice time in the pool, eating mummy's yummy biscuits. And all the tomatoes are stringed up. Got a little bit of weeding done, a bit of eating of some of the weeds, which until a couple of years ago I'd never really considered. So it's nice to see that you can actually, without having to grow anything, still eat. So that's good. But yeah, so we're just sitting out here. We like to sit out here in the evenings and talk together, and just spend a bit of time watering the garden in the cool of the day, and we find that really refreshing. It's nice to spend a bit of time together alone, talk about children, what our plans are, different things like that. So yeah, anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It was a bit of a different video, a bit more to do with, you know, what we get up to, and yeah, if you know, giving it a like and a comment really helps us out and helps us put food on the table, and helps me to justify why mowing the lawn takes about 5 times longer than usual. So yeah, we really do hope to see you on the next video. Until then, bye.